Hello everybody, myself Geeta. I will be teaching you every day one aptitude question and one GK question. Children below 5th standard or below 10 years of age till their 12th class can learn these aptitude questions and GK questions for their future competitive exams as well as for your syllabus. Now we shall start with the question. Which answer shows the commutative property of multiplication to the equation 4 into 3 into 6? The options given are A. Option A, 15 plus 7 plus 6. Option B, 6 into 4 into 3. Option C, 105 into 6. Option D, 90 into 7. As I was telling you in my previous videos also, the very first thing we have to do is understand the question first. So we shall see what is commutative property first. So what is commutative property? Whenever they are given 2 or 3 variables, so how many ever variables it is, this x, y and z are called as variables. How much ever the variables are given, when you write it in a different order, that is, in the beginning we have x here and y, x into y. Instead of writing x into y, we can write it as z into x, and in place of z, place it as y. So the variables are same but is written in different order. So again we can see here z into x can be written as y into x, into y can be written as z. The variables are same but written in different order is called as commutative property of multiplication. Now we can solve it with an example giving the values for the variables so that you will understand better. Example, x equal to 4, y equal to 3 and z is equal to 6. So now in the place of x, y and z, in the place of x, y and z, that is 4, 3, y equal to 3 and z equal to 6. I have placed the values here. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 into 6 is equal to 72. So this is what we got the answer when we substituted in x into y into z. Now we shall see if we substitute the values in z into x into y. In this we get 6 into 4, that is 24, into 3, which is equal to 72. So we can observe this 72 and this 72, the answer is same. So we shall see now when it is substituted in the other form, that is y into x into z. So we get 3 into 4, which is equal to 12, and into 6, which is equal to 72. Now we can observe the answer. In all the rows we got answer as 72 when we substituted in x into y into z and z into x into y and y into x into z. So we understood when we change the order of any variables or multiples, then the answer is same. So what is the question asked here? Which answer shows the commutative property of multiplication to the equation 4 into 3 into 6? So the solution is B, that is 6 into 4 into 3. That means we can write in any order. We can write the variables in any order. Here instead of variables, they have given the numbers. So whatever the order you write, the answer we get will be same. So now we shall move to the general knowledge question. Where is the headquarters of World Bank located? Where is the headquarters of World Bank located? The given options are Paris, B, Germany, C, Washington DC, and D, Canada. So the answer is C, Washington DC. This is the picture of World Bank located in Washington. World Bank was conceived or started in the year 1944, July. And the aim of the World Bank, or why the World Bank started, is after Second World War, European countries devastated completely. They lost their property, they lost their lives, they didn't have education, so many things. So in order to bring them up, the World Bank was established. They were giving loans for them. David Malpass is the current president of World Bank. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please feel free to share me the doubts in my WhatsApp. Thank you.